You just won the Super Bowl. What are you doing next?
I'm gonna go to Disney World.
Boy, I'd love to go to the Super Bowl one day.
Maybe we can.
Come on!
Prepare to jump to hyperspace.
Yes, my lord.
Sir, I've chartered a flight path to the Super Bowl.
I'll see you at the game. So long, boys.
Be on your best behavior.
One more word, please. Give me one.
Super Bowl?
We're going to the Super Bowl.
I'm ready. Me too.
Yes, this is the way.
Like one big happy family.
Think we should have rented a bigger car? Classic.
Artu, hurry! We're late!
Everybody got their ticket?
And I'm going too.
See you in 2027.